Good evening, America. My name is Primrose, and I am running for president in 2012. Some people argue that a dog can never run our country. To that I say, dogs can understand human verbal instructions, hand signals, whistles, horns, clickers, beepers, scented IDs, electromagnetic energy fields, and frisbee flight paths. What do humans understand? We need change. If I were president, I would make sticking your nose into someone's crotch an acceptable way of saying hello. It's like exchanging business cards, but more up close and personal. If I were president, I would help curb childhood and adult obesity by putting an electric fence type device on what you humans call the junk food cabinet. If it prevents us dogs from running out into the street, then we should be able to train humans to use it to prevent them from getting a muffin top. In closing, I would like to leave you with a quote by Mahatma Gandhi. The greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way in which its animals are treated. Treat your animals right. Vote Primrose 2012. Thank you, everybody.